Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the products that promise to elevate your beauty routine. Have you ever wanted a foundation that works as both a flawless coverage solution and a concealer in one? Today, we're taking a look at the PUR Beauty 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Foundation and Concealer, a multitasker that claims to deliver long-lasting, full coverage with a natural, hydrating glow. Let's explore if it truly lives up to the hype. The PUR Beauty 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Foundation and Concealer is designed for those looking to cover imperfections while achieving a skin-refined, glowing look. This liquid formula combines foundation and concealer in one product with a hydrating blend to help smooth and perfect skin texture and tone. It's available in various shades, with TG6 Honey being the one I'm testing today. This specific shade is perfect for medium to deep skin tones, offering a warm, golden undertone. The formula is suitable for acne-prone skin, which is a huge plus for anyone with sensitive or blemish-prone complexions. In terms of performance, the 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Foundation offers two distinct application methods. You can use the built-in doe foot applicator for precise concealing of blemishes, dark spots, and imperfections, or pump the product for a more buildable all-over coverage. The doe foot applicator makes spot treating quick and easy, while the pump allows for a more seamless application when you're looking to cover larger areas. It's great for those who like a customizable approach to their foundation. When I first tried the product, I was pleasantly surprised by its lightweight feel despite the full coverage. It glided onto my skin effortlessly, providing an even base with a natural matte finish that didn't look heavy or cakey. The hydrating ingredients kept my skin looking fresh all day, without any signs of dryness or patchiness, which is a concern I often have with full coverage foundations. The texture is creamy but not too thick, and it blends well into the skin without any streaking. The coverage was impressive. Everything from redness to acne scars was easily concealed, and the finish remained smooth throughout the day. I wore it for over 12 hours, and although I did experience some wear around my nose and chin, the foundation held up remarkably well for such a long period. What stood out most was the radiant finish. It wasn't too dewy, but gave my complexion a healthy, natural glow that didn't look oily. As for the pros, the product delivers on its promise of versatile application. The two methods are incredibly convenient and cater to different preferences. The foundation also doesn't clog pores, which is key for acne-prone skin. And the long-lasting formula is perfect for those who need a product that can withstand a full day's wear. Another big plus is the fact that it feels lightweight, which means it doesn't feel heavy or suffocating on the skin, even during warmer months. However, no product is without its flaws. One downside is that the product tends to oxidize a little, so the color can shift slightly throughout the day, especially if you're in warmer climates. It's also on the pricier side, so budget-conscious beauty lovers might find it a bit of a splurge. The coverage, while buildable, might be too much for those who prefer a more natural, lighter finish. If you lean towards minimalistic makeup looks, you may want to go for something a bit more sheer. Now let's talk about value for money. At first glance, the price tag might seem steep, but given its 4-in-1 function, as both foundation and concealer, it can save you money on other products you'd normally purchase separately. The ingredients, particularly the hydrating blend, also add value, ensuring your skin feels nourished and looks radiant. For those looking for high-performance foundation, the price is justified by the quality and longevity of the product. When compared to other foundations in the market, particularly those catering to acne-prone skin, the PUR Beauty 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Foundation and Concealer stands out due to its dual-purpose design and skin-friendly formula. Many foundations claim to work for both coverage and skincare, but few manage to deliver both in a lightweight, non-comedogenic formula. However, if you're not looking for full coverage or prefer a lighter finish, you might find other foundations like Fenty Beauty Pro Filter, Soft Matte, or Too Faced Born This Way, offering more suitable alternatives at a lower price point. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional. The pump dispenses the right amount of product, minimizing waste, and the doe foot applicator is perfect for on-the-go touch-ups or targeted application. The glass bottle feels sturdy and high-end, ensuring that the product feels just as premium as it performs. As for longevity, the formula holds up well over time, though it's recommended to use a setting spray if you want to lock it in for an even longer-lasting finish. Customer support from PUR has been known to be responsive and helpful should you encounter any issues. While I didn't need to contact them personally, the brand's reputation in the beauty community reflects a solid commitment to customer service. If you're looking for a budget-friendly alternative, there are other foundations that may meet your needs, such as Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless or L'Oreal Infallible 24HR Fresh Wear Foundation, which offer good coverage and wear time at a much more affordable price point. However, neither of these quite matches the hydrating, skin-refining properties of PUR's offering. To wrap it up, the PUR Beauty 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Foundation and Concealer is a solid choice for those seeking a versatile, full-coverage foundation with a hydrating, natural finish. It's perfect for anyone with acne-prone skin looking for a product that can conceal and perfect their complexion without irritation. Though it's on the pricier side, it delivers great value with its dual-function formula and long-lasting performance. If you're after a foundation that offers full coverage without the cakey feel, this one is worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.